One of the most common stem locks we have found on the Via, Urbano, Forte, and the Liberte is this style here with the little secondary lock button. And I'm going to show you how to adjust a loose stem lock with this model of stem. So again, with the previous one, I've loosened it already. So a couple of things you'll notice when it's loose. You'll notice the lever is pretty easy to float back and forth. It's locked right now with the secondary lock, so it won't accidentally open on you. But you can see how it's loose. And then again, if I just kind of grab the base of the headset and the stem, you can hear and see how loose it is. Basically, if you can create a gap here, you need to tighten up your stem's lock. In order to tighten up the stem lock, we're just gonna open up the lock by pushing the secondary lock release and then just bringing a lever down and then fold the stem down, and you'll notice this little mechanism here. So the tools we'll need are a 10mm wrench and a 4mm Allen. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen up this lock nut with my wrench. So it's loose, okay? And then I'm gonna close this back up, and then I'm gonna close the lever. So now it's in a locked position. It's just loose, that locking nut is loose, and I'm gonna put the Allen in here and I'm gonna turn it. In this case, I'm gonna turn it clockwise until I get a little bit of resistance and it's not letting me turn it anymore. I don't want to crank it. I just want to make sure it's tight enough that it doesn't go freely anymore. And then just test it, open it up, close it, feel how much pressure you get. This feels perfect. Try to rock it back and forth. It's not moving. I can't open up this gap anymore. That's it. It's properly adjusted. The last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna open everything back up, fold that stem back down, and re-tighten that locking nut. And this will lock everything in place. And that's it.